I think, it's always great for kids to spend a day shadowing other kids and to really get a feel for, what it's going to be like to sit in the classroom, meet the teachers, meet their peers. And I think talking with the principal and talking with Father John, I think could be so helpful to get a sense not just for their immediate school needs, but, their faith needs and really bringing it all together.
If they're teetering on coming to Catholic schools or not, I invite them to come and do a shadow day. Bring your kid, come and walk around the building, let them sit in the classroom at least part of a day, and let them see what we do. We have a lot more leeway, we can do a lot more things than a public school, and it's just a warm, happy environment. It's family. The teachers treat the kids like they're their own, and it's just a nice place to learn.
We can hook you up with families that are already established. Sometimes getting that perspective from not a teacher, not a principal, but from an actual parent can make the difference.
I remember taking Elizabeth, she was 3, and we were greeted at the door by the principal and a couple of the teachers. Big smiles, just welcoming us in. And I remember walking around the halls and we looked at different classrooms and everything just looked nice and organized and bright, and it just looked like a happy place to send the girls.
If you're considering Erie Catholic School, I would say do it. You are going to love it and you're never going to regret sending your kids here.